Before I get into today's video, I just want to make it clear that this video is only to make the viewers aware of the several issues that many smartphone users are facing after installing the recent OTA updates. It's very common to see our phones turning sluggish with time. But what if all of a sudden your phone turns into a piece of trash after receiving a software update? In the month of April this year, the OnePlus 7 series started receiving the Android 11 update, which just crippled many devices from the 7 series. And the manufacturer didn't even fix the issue readily. Well, lately this thing is happening quite a lot. Be it the Android 11 update in OnePlus 7 series or the most recent Poco X2 camera failure after the OTA update. And as the incident happened just after the release of the OnePlus 9 series, many users started speculating that this was done intentionally by the OEM to make the users buy their newly released devices. And even if it is true, this is nothing new. Many manufacturers are doing this for years, and this is nothing but a cheap marketing strategy. And recently, the Poco X2 users also faced some issues regarding the camera after installing the latest update. Though later the manufacturers provided solution for the error, but the question here is why the users have to face these kind of issues. Before releasing the updates, the manufacturer needs to check and test the updates thoroughly so the end user doesn't face any kind of problems. And especially during this pandemic situation, if something wrong happens to an user's device, he or she may not get another readily. And nowadays it's quite impossible to even spend a single day without our phone. The manufacturer should understand this, and this kind of troubles just ruin the complete experience of the user. I'm talking from an user's perspective. Most of us spend that hefty amount of 30 or 40k or even more than that so that we can use the device for at least 2 years. Talking about myself, after installing the OxygenOS 11.0.6.6 in my OnePlus 8 Pro, the battery backup went down and it's quite noticeable. And I even noticed the degradation in the image quality as well, especially while clicking pictures in nightscape mode. I already made a video on this. If you didn't watch it, I will put the link in the description and add it in the card as well. You can watch it after watching this one. And I personally like that nighttime photography, and this update did nothing but ruin the complete experience. And specifically talking about OnePlus, they used to be great in terms of software updates, and that is the reason I thought of switching to OnePlus and started using an OnePlus device as my daily driver. But in the recent past, things started to change, and it's not only me, many other OnePlus users are feeling the same. What do you think about this? Do let me know in the comment section. So at the end, I just want to say that don't go for any update blindly. No matter which brand or device you are using, watch what the reviewers have to say, and if there is any specific issue in the update, just keep it and wait for the next one. Yes, I can understand this updates improves the security of your device, but what if the update just ruins your device completely? And specifically if your device is a little old, think twice before updating your device. So that's it for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Please do share your views in the comment section. We can also connect on Instagram. The handle is right in front of you. And even if you don't do any of this, thanks for watching this one. I will see you around.